Hey, what is up guys? It's HighBreakButter11 here, back at you with another Minecraft tutorial. Today we are going to be building the KCS Veterans Unit. So, this is what it's going to look like today. We have both my unit, which is the unit we are going to be building, and we have Conrail Guys, which you might see on his channel in a few weeks. He's not entirely done with this. So yeah. This is what the whole unit looks like. The flag, and the breast cancer logo, and then the military. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to come over here, place a 2x3 of black concrete. And then, well, a 1x3 and then a 1x5. And then, upside down, dark oak wood stairs, and you're going to bring it back to and make a 2x5 of black concrete, just like that. And now just make your stairs out of quartz, like that, and like that. Alright, now we are going to bring this engine, I'm going to say 30 blocks back, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 32. Alright, so bring it back 32 blocks, just like that. Now bring this out, just like this. And then, just make another 1x3 down here, and then a 2x5. Okay, it's hard to build with black concrete. And of course now it started raining. Dark oak wood stairs upside down, and then do your quartz again, just like this. Let me just make it stop raining. Okay. Now make this centerpiece 3 blocks wide all the way down, just like this. And just like this. Alright. So now you're going to come to the front of the unit. And now we're going to start making the wheels. So place 2 black, skip 1, 2 black, skip 1, and 2 black. And then you're going to put a hopper on the black, just like this, and then a dark oak wood in between, just like that. Do that on this side as well. Alright, and then right there, black, black, black. And then your hoppers. And then your wood. So it should be looking like that. Then we're going to make the fuel tank. I believe this is going to be 11 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Indeed, 11 blocks long. Just fill that in. Like so. And then just upside down stairs the whole way. And on this side as well. Okay. And now you're going to do your wheels again. So skip 1. And then place 2 black concrete. Skip 1, 2 black, skip 1, 2 black. And you'll know you have done it right if the last black connects up with the like the original black, if that makes any sense. It's extremely hard to build with black concrete because it's just literally a dark void. You can't see anything, so it makes it hard to build with. But nevertheless, we make it work. Okay. And now just a white line of quartz slab the whole way on both sides. Now finally for the bottom, we're going to add the final details. So tripwire hook on either side and then another brick slab in the middle. Do it on this side as well. Alright, that's the base of the locomotive. Now you're going to grab lapis lazuli, white concrete, dark oak wood fence, iron bar, gold block, bedrock, red concrete, red nether brick stair, and a white and quartz stair even. Not sure why I called it white stair. So place 2 white like that, and then 3 blue, then 1 blue and 1 blue, and switch to your gold and a 3 line of gold just like that, and then blue, blue, and then white. Then right here it's gonna be blue, and then red, and then white, then white, blue, 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 white, and blue, blue, blue. Okay, now we're going to make the number board, so take 2 upside down stairs, just like that. That's how you make the number board. Now for this side, it's a bit different. Okay, so it's going to be white, and then red, and then blue, and blue, and just like that. Let's make like a crossed pattern, I believe. Alright, make that one over, actually. Okay, now make that 3 high, and that one 3 high. Then take your upside down quartz stair again, place 2 just like that. Alright, now you're just going to fill this all. Just fill in the 2 first blocks, just like this, with lapis lazuli, and then raise this last one up with white and white on both sides. Alright, so now come down to the front, dark oak wood fences, just like that, and then an iron bar on top. So simple as that. Now grab dark prismarine stairs, place 2 like that. Then you also want to get black glass and black panes, so 2, and then 2 just like this, right there as well, and then a white in the middle. So just like that, and then the whole roof will be blue. Okay, and then prismarine stairs on each side, just like that. Alright, that's the main cab done so far. Now we're going to move on to the main body. So, I'm going to grab your bedrock back, place 3 like this, then 1 red, 2 white. You might want to move these materials closer and not have them spread across your inventory. Then have another 3 bedrock, just like this, and then an indented white, and 2 indented reds. Alright, now up here, 2 red and 1 white. This is going to be the exact same pattern on this side as well. Make sure. Alright, this is just place 2 red down here and 2 white, and now just continue how you're doing this. So white, and then red, and then red. That's not right. Okay, there we go. So it should look like that. White and white, white, red. Okay. And then, right here you're going to take your quartz stair, place 1 upside down, then 1 red upside down, and then a red block above it, white, and then double red. So just like that. And you're going to break out these two and place bedrock, just like this. Pretty simple. And then just fill in the middle with white. So just like that. Okay? Fill these two blocks in with white as well. And then just continue the flagged pattern just like this. So now we're going to go indented. So red, white, white, red, red, white, white, red, red. Just like that. Do it on this side as well. Not sure why I placed blue. And so basically now you're just gonna change it, so white, white, red, red, white, white, red, red, and white. Do that right here as well. And now right there. Just like this. It's a pretty simple pattern once you have built it a few times. You get familiar to the pattern that you're meant to be doing. Okay, now just fill this in again. Now you're going to come over here, grab a stone stair and a stone slab, place 3 stone stairs, then place 4 stone slabs, just like this. So a 3x4, and then another 3 stairs, just like that. Okay. Okay, I'm messing this up. So red, white, white, red, red, and white. And that's going to be the American flag pattern that we are using. So simple as that. Now we're going to work on the military camo. So you're going to grab gold, gray concrete, lime terracotta, smooth sandstone, bedrock, and I know I have this as polished andesite, but we're just going to use stone stairs because that is more accurate. So bring it out by 2, just like that. Now it's going to be sandstone, then lime terracotta, then gray, and sand, and gray, and sand, yep, and then green, just like that. Now just line the bottom with stone, and then on this side it should be different. Okay, so on this side we're gonna have green, gray, sand. Is that green or gray? Okay, gray, green, green, and sand, just like that. Okay. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to make the breast cancer symbol, so place 1 there, 1 gold there, 3 blocks gold there, and then 2 on the top. That's how you make the breast cancer symbol. Okay. And just place a green block inside of it on both sides. Okay, so we're going to work on this side's camo first. So, first layer will be sand, then green, then gray, then double bedrock, then sand, then 2 sets of double bedrock, and then gray, gray, gray. In fact, the whole back is gray, so you can just lift that all the way up. And then the whole top's going to be gray as well, so just fill all that in for now. If we need to change anything, then we'll change it. Then next layer is going to be sand, green, green, sand, gray, green, gray, sand, gray, green, sand, green, gray, gray, sand, gray, green, sand. Alright, that's that side done. Now we're going to work on this side, so it's going to be sand, green, sand. Then green, gray, green, and green again. Gray, sand, gray. Raining again. I don't know why it's raining so much. I need to turn weather cycle off. Okay. Okay, those two are meant to be gray actually, so let me just go ahead and change that. So these two are meant to be gray, green, and that's meant to be gray. Okay. In fact, dig out that and dig out that. Alright, I see. This is messing with me. Okay, I'm just gonna copy how this side is, just so I can speed up this tutorial for y'all, since I know this is getting to be a pretty long tutorial, and I really don't want to have to make this two videos, so just copy that. If y'all need a minute, just pause the video right here, look at the screen, and yeah, pretty simple to build, even though it looks complicated. So now we're going to get into the smaller details, so grab a stone slab, birchwood fence, birch sign, dark oak fence, iron bar, light gray carpet, bedrock, iron pressure plate, and iron trapdoor. So first of all, we're going to make the vents, so place one trapdoor there, one there, and then a pressure plate right there, and then two bedrock there and there, and then two more right there. Now just cover all of the outer surroundings in gray carpet, just like this. So it should look like that, if I don't go breaking stuff. And then all of this is going to be covered apart from this first block. This first block will have an iron trapdoor in it. And then, just like that. And then, pressure plate. You can get rid of your bedrock and grab a stone button. Place two right here for the beacons. Then place fence gate like that. Birch sign, birch sign, birch sign, that's one too high, birch sign, fence gate, and then that. Then for the back right here, just make it like that, and like that. And yeah. So if y'all don't know, I don't really do handrails in the video, but I'll just show you how to make it on this unit. So it's just iron bars, string, and then the carpet. So this is how it's meant to look. So basically it's just copying the color that's on the actual locomotive, apart from when this part. On that part it's just gray. Green. I'm not sure why I keep on saying gray. Then for the final part, just gonna grab some blue carpet and cover up the nose. And that is it. That is how you build the KCS Veterans Unit. Hope all of you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button so that you can see more of these Minecraft tutorials. And if you want to see a certain Minecraft tutorial, go and post it in the comments below, and I'll think about building it if he gets enough likes. So yeah, this is Hybrid Lemon signing off. See you later, guys, and goodbye.